God, blimey, look at this. I got this from Pat Grant. I don't know what it is. I ordered a couple of his latest 2 comics, and for some reason I've got this mysterious tube here. So let's see what's inside. This is what is known as an unboxing video. It's really hard doing it with one hand. Why do you have to film everything? Look at that. So there's some kind of poster in there. And looks like the 2 comics are in there. So let's grab them out and see what he sent me. God, making unboxing is so stupid. See what's going on here. Looks like some original art or a print of some art. Oh, Mamma mia. Is that original? No, that is original. My God, it's got like... It's got little pencil marks on it. Ah! This is real! Look! There's Robert Crumb and his wife Arlene. I think her name's Arlene. I think that's meant to be me. I think he mentioned that I was in it somewhere. And I think that's me there. I think what Pat's done is send people the page with them doing a cameo on it. I think that might be... I remember him, and he put Chris G in as well. Wow, and it's on real thick card too. That's an original bit of art, man. That's original. Look at this. Look at that. There's smudges and there's little bits where you can still see the lead pencil. Fuck, that's gonna look really good. I'm gonna put that in a frame and stick that up in the studio, I reckon. I like that Robert Crumb's in the same frame. I think that's me there, maybe. I know I'm in this somewhere. But that's amazing. Thank you, Pat. That's great. And let's see what else he sent me though. And see the comics themselves. Shit. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Now these were $5, man. $5 each. Like seriously. Far out. Look at the color. So that's digital color. But that's amazing. Sorry for the bad filming. Okay, a little bit bend. I put them face down to unbend them. But let's have a look at what the grot looks like. But look at this though. Look at the amazing. Look at the paper. It's done on this real nice thin. It looks like newsprint sort of paper. And just look at the quality of the printing. It looks so good. It looks like a proper old. It just looks good. It's a bit curled, so I can't show it properly. I can't wait. 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 What are you doing? What is this? Look at this. This is Pat Grant's comic, everybody. The Grot. You should buy this. Look at it. Look at the color. Look at the printing. My God. It's huge as well. Let's see how many. I can't see how many pages it is, but it's huge. And so that's issue 1. I'm sorry for my bad filming. That's really nice. Look at this picture here. He says he's been working on it for years. And you just get these great pictures like that. And it's thick, man. It's thick. So that's number 1. Number 2. Oh, of 3. Okay. Oh, this just goes forever. I wish it wasn't curled around. I can't really show you properly, but I'll flatten it out and probably do another post about that, about this, I reckon. So I've had a read. I don't know anything about it, but I've seen, you know, I've been watching him post little bits and pieces on social media for ages. Fantastic. Look at it. Look at it. Just love the quality of printing. I really love it. I love the paper it's on. This has got to be one of the best things I've seen, I reckon. I tell you, it doesn't have that digital look, you know what I mean? It doesn't have that cheap look about it. It's freaking nice, man. And apparently there's another funny little cameos put in here too, which I'm going to look forward to keeping an eye out of. I had on. Look at that. Thanks, Pat. Thanks so much, man. That was such a bargain for these two. And this original art, which you sent me. This is just amazing. I love getting stuff like this in the mail. Happens now and then. I'm treating these so badly, but god damn. Look at that. So yeah, go to Pat Grant's site and I'll post all the info and stuff like that. And you should order these. And I don't think they will be $5. I'm not sure. I think it's more than that. But my god, you should look at these. Ridiculous. Now, as you can see, what I've done is I've actually placed the original art in what is commonly called a sort of a frame-like feature. Nothing too fancy, just your average sort of a cheap sort of frame. You can see that when I tilt it like that, it sort of moves. It's fantastic. And as you can see, there's a sort of a plastic covering over the front, which will protect it, not only protect it from the elements, but also reflect the environment in its glistening sort of glaze there. Isn't that fantastic? Look, you can actually see the lamp. And you can see the actual, if you look closely, you can see the actual window in the background there. Isn't that fantastic? Mind you, tilt it slightly, and as if by magic, you can see Pat Grant's beautiful artwork. And so I just thought that was quite nifty there. I just thought I'd put it in an ordinary sort of frame, a few scuff marks, don't worry about that, because they'll be on the rear side. You won't be able to see those when it's up against the wall. When you put it on the wall, you won't be able to see the back side of it. You won't see those scuff marks. They won't be visible for anyone to see. So just turn it around like this, right? Fantastic. And I can find a space on the wall. If I can find a space on the wall. There's so much artwork up here. I don't know where I'm going to put it. Maybe I'll find a spot, I don't know, somewhere. Who knows? I can't really say. Maybe on the side here. Maybe I could find some kind of, look, it's going to need some kind of cheap little, perhaps some kind of hook feature thing, apparatus there. And I can hang Pat Grant's fantastic artwork up on the side there. Or maybe I could take something else down. I don't think I want to take that down. No way. But maybe I'll put it somewhere else. Maybe this old piece of shit, I can just sort of move it off there like that and stick it up there. That'd be fantastic. Thanks again, Pat. Look, you're a bloody legend. And I'm so glad that I bought your art and I bought your comic. Thanks.